Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 23rd of July 2014 market review. The trade for the day is called Investec INP. Take note, INP, there's two of them. Investec code INP, last traded price is 97 Rand 27. Action, I'm going to trade it from the high to the low. It's called a short or a sell. Currently trading at 97.27, so on the blue dotted line here. Entry level 96.93. Stop loss level, it's the red line here, is 98.43, and the target level is 93.25, it's the green level here. So the expectation is it will go from this high level down to the low level here. Current open trades is Mondi, PSG Discovery, and Grindrod. Those are the open trades at this moment. The top 40 shares index on the JSE. The blue line is the movement of the index. As you can see, we broke through the 20-day moving average, that's the grey line, and the 5-day moving average, that's the dotted grey line, going upwards again. The Dow Jones closed last night about 64 points stronger due to your home sales that came through. That's better than expected, and McDonald's numbers came out as well. And what happened is the numbers were also bad, but the home sale figures on the consumer side pushed the Dow markets positive to almost a level of 17,113 points. Take note, the current high on the Dow is 17,134 points. The Dow futures are currently about 19-20 points positive, testing this latest high point on the US markets Dow for the opening at late afternoon at 3:30. So it's testing this latest highs again. As you can see, the green and the red channel is still positive and testing new highs. So we need to see if this is going to be a breakup forming new highs, or will it follow this cycle again. As soon as you go to the highs, it starts to come back. Looking at the J200, that's the top 40 shares on the JSE. Now, yesterday we got a bit of a nice bounce up again on the market. A lot of the retailers followed positive, and the banking sectors also followed. The gold shares were a bit on the strain, but the market was totally overall positive. Look at this green and red line. The channel is still positive here. I'm going to pull up a volume band here, and you can basically see the index on the blue line is trading above the green line here. The high of yesterday was 46,700, and it closed on 46,000, almost 800. The current high in the short term is about 47,000 points. If broken, the next high could be close to 47,100 again. As you can see, there's a bit of bottom happening there. So we will keep a close eye on the AllC40, how it will open at 8:30 this morning, and give us guidance how the market will react at 9 o'clock on opening. ShopRite. Looking at ShopRite, bouncing the support, breaking up. Next expectation high is 166 Rand and 71 cents. Broke up, new cycle forming here, and you can actually just do the following, and you will confirm this breakup happening here. Look at this breakup here. So if you can break this 166, definitely your next high could be close to 170, 171 in the short term, if you want to look at it. Indicators also topish. So what you see here on the indicators, this is what you call a channel going positive, and the indicators will continue going up and down in this channel. See on the top side of this indicator of the WR stochastics, you can see this bounce here coming back here. So we could expect a bit of a positiveness in the retail ShopRite. Looking at first, as expected yesterday, moving up because the market was positive. Still low yet, 70 rand. Next high that needs to be broken if it wants to return to the 75 rand levels, or the 76 rand levels will be 74 rand. Currently planning 72.50, very small trading range. Woolies 81.65. As you can see, it didn't actually move up with the market's movement yesterday, losing a bit of momentum at this time, and it's still trading between the green and the red Bollinger Bands going up here. So let's keep a close eye on this one, where the market's movements can go. In the short term is definitely, at any time if this share wants to break down, it needs to break this 81 rand down, and next low could be back here to the 79.60 or the 80 rand levels if the share wants to lose momentum. Mr. Price breaking totally new highs at this moment in this band, going higher, trading at a 202 level, 202.50 level. Still in the positive band as well on the Bollinger Bands between the red and green line. The expectation says if this one wants to come down, it needs to go into this 188, but the positiveness is still in the share, more upside than downside in this trade at this time. Let's go to Standard Bank. Looking at Standard Bank, still sideways, a lot of uncertainty in this specific trade. Barclays Bank, all to upside, using a bit of momentum on the top new highs here for the last 6 months to a year, trading at 166.95 as a high. Current closing price was 166.60, so a lot of uncertainty, but still trading between the green and the red line on the Bollinger Bands as well, and that shows positiveness as well at this stage. If it needs to come down, it needs to break 164.65. MTN. Now MTN moved up with yesterday's market movements, touching the 220 level, breaking back to the 224 level. Currently closed at 224.74. Still in this channel between the green and the purple line. Need to keep a close eye on this one. At any time if it breaks just about 225 level, definitely will go back to the 228 level. So I've got two levels here. 220 is my low, 225 is my high. If it breaks to 225, definitely go back to the 228. If it breaks to 220 level, definitely the next low could be 218 on this specific trade in the short term. Vodacom also followed yesterday's market movement. Currently similar like MTN, trading now between the green and the purple Bollinger Band, showing low prices. Question is, will it go to downward side or will it go sideways? Looking at this one, testing previous lows at here at 125. Looking at the Bollinger Bands, showing a bit of a downward cycle movement happening there. You could expect this one to pick up a bit back to the 127, 128 levels, trading currently at 126.90. So keep a close eye on this one as well. Barloworld, as expected and shown in the newsletter yesterday on the video, this is the current cycle. 100 rand low, 102 is the first high, and 105 is the second high. Still trading sideways at this moment. IPL. Now yesterday we said IPL could jump up. It did jump up in this downward channel. Now the big thing in this scenario currently is very important to track is the red Bollinger Band, the top side, middle Bollinger Band, green side, and the purple on the bottom. Now look at this quickly. It's a high, it's a low, it's a high, it's a low, it's a high. Didn't break that high, there's a low. And this low is what now? Bigger than that low. At any time, if this share breaks about 196, 197, definitely it could rally back to the 200, 202 rand level in the short term. Otherwise, the 190 is going to be your support level. If it breaks the 190 support level, back to the 184. So with this market pushing a bit up today, you could test this 196, 197 level. So let's keep a close eye. Otherwise, it can come down as well. Looking at some indicators, testing that previous highs as well. Looking at stochastics, those are the highs I'm currently talking about in the cycle. At any time it breaks this level, it could go higher. Looking to RSI, look at the previous high points, also playing a role here in this downward cycle. So the question is, will this change to a positive cycle now, or will it just take a high and break down? So in the next day or two, keep a close eye on this trade, especially. Discovery, trading sideways at this moment. Next high is 98. We got out here just at 95.18. Shares going to the side at this moment here. So let's see what where the share can take us in the short term as well. Currently trading on the green Bollinger Band and the support here, and the red on the top. Not a lot of value currently. Enjoy trading.